Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now in this video, I am going to show you how to delete the mass data, or we can say how to delete the records in bulk with the help of schedule script. For example, many times there is a requirement from the client side that there are 100 records, sales order records, which are created by mistake, and we need to delete them. Now, deleting them one by one is quite a time consuming task. So we use the scheduled script. Now, here in the scheduled script, first of all, what we will do, we will create a saved search that will identify the sales orders, upload the script, and then attach the saved search ID. We will attach that saved search ID with that scheduled script, and then we will edit the saved search and then save and execute button. And this is the code: record.delete, type equal to sales order, ID equal to result.id. Okay, let me show you with some practical. See here is the sales orders to be deleted. I have created a saved search, then I have created this scheduled script, and then I have attached this saved search with the help of this parameter. And then here, if you see in the script, here is the script part. Yes, here. Now, right now, execution log is empty. In the script part, I have attached that saved search ID. Here is the parameter. Okay, custom script 15. And now, what I am going to do, I will edit this script here. Edit. And then I will save and execute. That's it. I will save and execute. And then it will take one by one record, and then it will delete. I have already taken the, now let me show you SO 2826. So SO 2826, right now, see, it started deleting, right? If I refresh this, SO 2834, let's SO 2834. Right now it exists. See, this sales order is existing, but it is deleting one by one. The script is running in the back end and it is deleting one by one. Right now it is processing. See here. Now it is 100%. Now what I have shown it is 2834. This is existing, and now I will refresh this saved search. Yes, it's deleted. I have already taken this snapshot. Okay, SO 2833. If I show you SO 2834, let's take the same SO 2834. SO 2834. You will see here no result found. That means that record has been deleted. So in this way, let's have a quick recap. First of all, I have uploaded the script here. First of all, what I have created the saved search. Then I have created a script. I have attached that saved search with the script, and here is the parameter, that is curse script. When we have attached that, I have already shown you in the previous video. Then in the script, you see here this loop. This loop will run each. Here it is each, and then record.delete with the help of this. And then I have written here log.debug deleted record and the deleted record. Here is the variable deleted record. And in this way, we will put it into the try catch, right? So right now there is no error, so everything runs successfully. Let me show you the execution log. Here is execution log. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 records deleted. And these are the IDs of those records. 117934. Here is, let me show you. 117934, 117935, 58, 64. 35, 58, 64. All these records are deleted. So this is how we create, we write a scheduled script, because many times in a live project, there are some requirements from the client side to delete. There are so many things. Either you will be asked to upload bulk records, or you will be asked to delete bulk records. So in this way, we use scripting. And if you have any doubt, you can write down in the note in the comment box. I will try to resolve them. So this is most important. Keep on practicing this. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.